viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain wallet, and in this video I'm giving you information how to import your Binance wallet with your 12 seed phrases in Metamask. Yes, if you can use your Binance Smart Chain wallet with Metamask, so this video is going to be very informative for you. In this video I'm giving you complete information. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also get same information in Urdu channel. My Urdu channel name is Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you know, we have discussed in our last video how we can connect our Binance Smart Chain wallet with Binance.com exchange. That video is already very informative. So if you have not watched that video, so please go to my YouTube channel and watch my last video. So now I am going to import my Smart Chain wallet in Metamask with 12 seed phrases. So first I now get to the 12 phrases from my Smart Chain wallet. Simple click on my wallet, and after that enter my password here, and simple click on unlock button. After click on unlock, you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to select the Binance Smart Chain wallet BNB. It's depend on you. Now you can select any network, but you just get the backup of your wallet. So where you can find, simple is that I already told in my last video. Simple go to the click on profile area. This is your profile area. Simple click on it, and then go to the click on setting buttons. Now the fifth option is security and privacy. If I click on it, so there is auto lock. I think I make mistake. So where I make mistake, I think click on setting. Sorry, because I have selected imported wallet, you can see here, so that phrase is not shown. So I'm going to click on my main account. Yes, now the phrases will be shown in this portion. You can see here view seed phrases, and if you ever change browser or move computer, you will need these seed phrases to access your wallet. Okay, so you must take the backup of your phrases. I'm going to enter my password here, and simple click on next button, and this is my seed phrases of my Binance Smart Chain wallet. Now I will import my Binance Smart Chain wallet with these seed phrases in Metamask. Yes, you can do this. Let's suppose sometime your Binance Smart Chain wallet application is not working. So if you have a backup of your seed phrases, then you can use seed phrases in Metamask, and you can use your wallet also with balance. Okay, I have pasted my seed phrases here. So now going to open the Metamask software or application, eject all. So simple is that Metamask wallet extension. Okay, so I'm going to confirm this security, traffic light, and now open, and you can see here the metamask.com. Simple click on it, Now directly Google Chrome extension will be shown in front of you. You can see here Metamask, add to Google Chrome, and now click on add to extension. Now extension is going to install in my browser. You can see here there is shown checking, and now you can see here left side, you can see here the extension is going to download. It's make almost 1 minute. In 1 minute the extension will be downloaded in my browser, and after that automatically will install. Then we will use these seed phrases which is I have saved in our notepad file. These seed phrases will import our Binance Smart Chain wallet with these seed phrases in our Metamask, and you can easily use. I already told you sometimes Binance Smart Chain wallet or application is not working, so if you have phrases or backup of your wallets, so you can use your phrases with Metamask wallet. Okay, so application almost going to done. It's only take 7 seconds or 10 seconds. After some time the application will be download and install in my browser. Then I will import our wallet. Now the application is downloaded and added. Click on go to the pin. Now you can see here the Metamask wallet is going to open. Now you can see here welcome to the Metamask, connecting your Ethereum old and the decentralized web. We are happy to see you. Get started. So there is two options, keep in your mind. There is two options. The first option is no, I already have secret recovery phrases. Import your existing wallet using our secret recovery phrases. And second is this will create a new wallet and secret recovery phrases. So viewers, you know we have already seed recovery phrases of Binance Smart Chain wallet, so that we are need to add this wallet with these phrases on my Metamask, so that we will use this information. Simple click on import wallet. I'm going to click on import wallet, and now you can see here Metamask would like to use data to better understand how to user interact with the extension. And always allow to your you can read the all questions here. Never collect your address, never collect your IP address. So simple click on I agree. Now you can paste here your recovery phrases here. So I have my recovery phrases. I'm going to copy my all recovery phrases and going to try paste here. It's correctly paste or not. Yes, I think it's correctly paste. Harvest. So yes, my all recovery phrases is correctly pasted here. Now going to enter the password here. You must take strong password here, and simple also enter password here. After paste your all recovery phrases here, so you can click on I have read and agree terms and conditions. Simple click on import. Now our Binance Smart Chain wallet going to import on this Metamask wallet. All done. And you can read here our Ethereum wallet is successfully imported. If you need to also Binance Smart Chain wallet in your import in your Metamask wallet, so you must add the network. I already told in my last videos how can you add BSC network in your Metamask. So if you want to also import your Binance Smart Chain wallet, you must add first of all Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so our Ethereum wallet is shown here. If we are going to cross check our wallet is import or not, so going to again open my wallet. Simple click on wallet. Now going to enter the password here and unlock, and select the Ethereum network, and my address is copy we check the open the notepad file, and this is my Binance Smart Chain wallet Ethereum address, and this is the Ethereum this is the Metamask wallet, which is I import in this Metamask. So going to paste it. So you can see here my Binance Smart Chain wallet address Ethereum of my Metamask wallet address Ethereum is same, means we have successfully import over Binance Smart Chain wallet in Metamask. So if you will use your Binance Smart Chain, so you can must first of all add the network, then you will easily show your all balance in your main interface of Metamask. So as I hope you properly understand. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowallsinfo@gmail.com. You can also comment below this video. If you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.